Unlocking the Secrets of the Universe, a journey through the Hermetic Principles in practice, and how they can help you transform your reality. The Hermetic Principles are ancient teachings that reveal the secrets of the universe and how to master your own reality. In this video, we will explore the 7 Hermetic Principles and how to apply them in your daily life. The first principle of mentalism. The all is mind. The universe is mental. This principle states that everything that exists is a manifestation of the one mind, or the universal consciousness. Everything is connected, and nothing is separate. Your mind is a part of the one mind, and you have the power to create your reality with your thoughts. The second principle of correspondence. As above, so below, as within, so without. This principle states that there is a harmony and a correspondence between the different levels of existence. The macrocosm reflects the microcosm, and vice versa. The physical world mirrors the mental and spiritual worlds, and vice versa. What happens in one realm affects the other realms, and vice versa. The third principle of vibration. Nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. This principle states that everything that exists is in a constant state of motion and change. Nothing is static or fixed. Everything has a frequency and a wavelength, and everything is energy. You can change your vibration by changing your thoughts, feelings, and actions, and you can attract or repel things that match your vibration. The fourth principle of polarity. Everything is dual. Everything has poles. Everything has its pair of opposites. This principle states that everything that exists has 2 opposite aspects, or poles, that are complementary and interdependent. For example, hot and cold, light and dark, good and evil, etc. These opposites are not absolute, but relative, and they can be transcended or balanced. The fifth principle of rhythm. Everything flows out and in. Everything has its tides. All things rise and fall. This principle states that everything that exists follows a cyclical pattern of movement and change. There is a rhythm and a flow to everything, and nothing stays the same. There is a time for everything, and everything has its season. You can use the rhythm of nature to your advantage, or you can overcome it with your will. The sixth principle of cause and effect. Every cause has its effect. Every effect has its cause. Everything happens according to law. Chance is but a name for law not recognized. There are many planes of causation, but nothing escapes the law. This principle states that everything that happens has a reason and a consequence, and nothing happens by chance or accident. There is a law of action and reaction, of karma and destiny, that governs everything. The seventh principle of gender. Everything has its masculine and feminine principles. Gender manifests on all planes. This principle states that everything that exists has 2 polar aspects, or genders, that are essential for creation and generation. The masculine principle is active, positive, and outward, while the feminine principle is passive, negative, and inward. These principles are not limited to physical sex, but apply to all levels of existence, such as the mind, the soul, and the spirit. And there you have it, the Hermetic Principles in practice. As you explore these principles, remember that they're not just abstract concepts, but powerful tools for personal growth and transformation. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the mysteries of the universe. Bye for now.